how to use QR code on Google Pay. First, you want to simply open the Google Wallet application, and inside your Google Wallet app, you'd be able to see an home page which will look something like this. On your home page, you want to tap on scan any QR code over here. By doing so, you'd be able to see a page which will look something like this. Here are two options to receive or send money. If you are looking forward to receive money, you'd be able to show this QR code to the people that is going to send you money. By doing so, they will be able to scan this QR code and send you money to your account. However, if you are looking forward to send money through your account to someone else's, you want to simply tap on this scan QR code over here. After that, you want to scan their QR code, and by doing so, you'd be able to follow the prompt to make a payment to send money from your account. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.